Hey guys, so it's summertime and there's always new products to review, and that's what I'm going to do today. Alright, so today I'm reviewing a product from the brand Glow Recipe, which is a K-beauty brand. And if you're not familiar with Glow Recipe, they are highly known for their watermelon overnight sleep mask. And now they recently released at Sephora their watermelon glow jelly sheet mask. All right, so this is like basically a watermelon mask for when you're on the go. So if you're not familiar with watermelon is like high in antioxidants. It has anti-aging properties. It also tones the skin, and it just helps this refresh the skin, replenish the skin, helps with aging, and is loaded with antioxidants. All right, so this is what the mask looks like. It comes in a watermelon shaped package, which is super cute. The retail price for this is about $8, and it's available at Sephora stores. It's a hydrating, soothing sheet mask, and it's a jelly mask, so it has like a jelly feel to it when you apply it. So if you want, you can pop the sucker in the refrigerator, let it get a little cool, and then apply it to your skin. That's what I do. I pop it in the fridge for about 5 minutes, or you can put it in the freezer for like 5 minutes, and I just apply it to my skin, leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm a 10-minute kind of girl, so I like to do like my face mask for at least 10 minutes. So I'm gonna say I leave it on for 10 minutes, but it's your choice. It also has hydrochloric acid in it as well. So I just wanted to do a really quick review on this. It's not really too much to say. It is a really good mask if you're on the go. It adds a little glow to your skin, and it hydrates your skin. And you can use this in the summertime, you can use it in the wintertime, it's up to you, but it's a great mask. And I love sheet mask. It's like sheet mask is like the new thing, but for me, sheet mask is like something when you want to do a quick facial. It's like a mini facial that you can do in like 10 minutes, you know, so you can revive your skin and refresh your skin in like 10 minutes. So I just wanted to do a quick review on the watermelon glow jelly sheet mask from Glow Recipe that's available at Sephora. All right, the second thing I want to do a review on, since we're in the watermelon season, is the Sephora brand. If you guys are not familiar, they do have their cleansing wipes. The last review I did was on coconut, and I wanted to try the watermelon ones because, like I said, watermelon is so good for the skin. It hydrates the skin, it tones the skin, it helps with anti-aging. It's really good for the skin. And I decided to pick up their watermelon cleansing wipes, and I think I paid $8 for this too, if I'm not mistaken. Either $7 or $8 for these. But these are really nice, regular wipes, but it has like this clean watermelon scent to it, you know. And actually, I'm gonna wipe it, and I had put some makeup on my hand, so you can use this to remove your makeup before going to bed. You know, if you don't feel like washing your face, this is a great way to just remove the makeup. It's very gentle on the skin, and it's only $8. Can't go wrong with it. All right, guys. So I just want to do a quick review on these two products. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, bye.